Hey there, fellow drivers. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway in your shiny new 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, feeling like you've outsmarted the gas pump with that impressive MPG. The wind in your hair, the quiet hum of the electric motor. Pure bliss, right? But wait, what if I told you that behind that eco-friendly facade, there are hidden costs lurking, ready to nibble away at your savings after just a year or two? Costs that no salesperson mentions during the test drive. Welcome to DriveSense, your no BS guide to smart car ownership. I'm diving deep into the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid today, the full truth for American families, from skyrocketing insurance to battery blues. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly if this hybrid hero is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's roll. First off, let's talk about why the RAV4 Hybrid is flying off lots in 2026. Toyota ditched the gas-only models, making hybrid the standard, and for good reason. With gas prices hovering around $3.50 a gallon nationally, that EPA-rated up to 44 mpg combined sounds like a dream. Imagine saving $500 to $800 a year on fuel compared to a traditional SUV. It's got all-wheel drive options, a peppy 219 horsepower from the gas-electric combo, and it zips from 0 to 60 in about 7.5 seconds. Not bad for a family hauler. But here's where engagement kicks in. Have you ever wondered why hybrids feel so smooth? It's the seamless switch between electric and gas power. No jolts, just effortless driving. Owners rave about it for city errands or long road trips. Yet, as we'll uncover, these perks come with strings attached. Stay tuned as we peel back the layers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of real-world performance. On paper, the RAV4 Hybrid is a champ. Precise handling, a quiet cabin that blocks out road noise, and flexible storage that adapts to your life. But in everyday American driving, city stop and go can drop that MPG to 36 to 40, especially in AWD models or with heavy loads. Think about your commute. Bumper to bumper in LA or Chicago winters, that efficiency takes a hit. Families love it for the basics: roomy seats for 5, easy-to-fold rear seats for strollers or sports gear. But add optional packages like the premium audio or panoramic roof, and the weight creeps up, sipping a bit more fuel. Here's a real owner story. Picture Sarah from Texas. She bought hers for weekend getaways, but noticed the hybrid system hesitates in extreme heat. Not a deal breaker, but something to factor in. We're just scratching the surface. The real costs start now.
All right, let's hit the first big hidden cost: insurance. You might think, hey, hybrids are safe and reliable. Shouldn't that mean lower premiums? Not quite. Due to pricier parts and specialized repairs, hybrid trims often cost $100 to $300 more per year than gas versions. In high-risk states like California, New York, or Texas, expect $1,500 to $1,900 annually for a mid-trim RAV4 Hybrid. Picture this: a minor fender bender. The hybrid's sensors and wiring make fixes jump from $1,000 to $2,500. Insurers know this, so premiums spike faster post-accident. But don't panic. Shop around. Companies like Geico or Progressive offer hybrid discounts. One tip: bundle home and auto for 10 to 20% savings. Ask yourself, is your driving record spotless? If not, this could add up quick. Moving on to the heart of the hybrid, the battery. Toyota's got your back with an 8 to 10 year, 100,000 to 150,000 mile warranty, depending on your state. That's solid peace of mind.
But after that, replacement can run $3,000 to $5,000, including labor. Factors like scorching Arizona summers or freezing Minnesota winters speed up degradation. Think 1 to 2% loss per year in extremes. Daily commuters, listen up. High mileage accelerates wear. One owner from Florida shared how his battery dipped 10% after 120,000 miles due to constant short trips without full charges. Pro tip: monitor battery health via the app or dealer checks. Park in shade. Avoid rapid charging in heat. And hey, refurbished batteries can save you $1,000 plus. Knowledge is power. Let's keep going.
Tires and maintenance, they sneak up on you. The RAV4's added weight and regenerative braking mean tires wear unevenly, lasting 30,000 to 50,000 miles. A full set of quality all seasons, $800 to $1,500 every 3 to 4 years. Aggressive driving or rough roads, budget higher. Maintenance averages $400 to $600 yearly. Oil changes every 10,000 miles, brake checks, though regen saves on pads, and hybrid-specific diagnostics like inverter scans at $150 to $300 a pop. Compare that to a gas SUV, hybrids often cost 10 to 15% more in upkeep, but savings on brakes and oil can offset some. Real talk? DIY oil changes if you're handy, or stick to Toyota's schedule for warranty perks.
But the RAV4 Hybrid shines here with strong resale, often retaining 60 to 70% value after 5 years. Buy at $38,000 to $42,000. In 3 years, it might fetch $28,000 to $32,000, depending on mileage and market. Economic shifts or EV competition could sway that. Certified pre-owned is your friend, less initial drop. One strategy: lease if you flip cars often. Ownership if you're in for the long haul. In daily life, it's a winner. 37.6 cubic feet of cargo, expanding to 69.8. Urban parking? Nimble. Families haul groceries, kids' gear effortlessly. But heavy loads? Cut MPG by 5 to 10%. Roof racks add drag. It's versatile, but plan for those tweaks.
Final advice and actionable solutions. The truth? The RAV4 Hybrid is reliable and efficient, but hidden costs like insurance, batteries, and tires add $2,000 to $4,000 over 5 years. Budget smart. Calculate your commute savings, shop insurance, maintain proactively. Consider plug-in for more EV perks. This is DriveSense, empowering your drive. Subscribe, hit like, comment your hybrid stories. Drive smart.